we are going to see Social Science, History, Lesson 1, What is History, 3 marks and 5 marks question and answer. I have already uploaded Lesson 1, What is History, 1 mark and 2 mark question and answer. If you have not seen it, please click the link in the description. Now let's get inside the video. The first Roman letter is match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. The first question is statement. Prehistoric men went along with the dog for hunting. Reason. Dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. Option A. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option B. Statement and reason are correct. Option C. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. Option D. Both statements and reasons are wrong. Correct answer is option B. Statement and reason are correct. The second question is statement. The objects used by the early man are excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Option A. Museum. Option B. Burial materials. Option C. Stone tools. Option D. Bones. The answer is option A. Museum. Third question is statement. Charles Allen wrote a book titled The Search for the India's Last Emperor. Reason. It provided a comprehensive account of Ashoka. Option A. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option B. Statement and reason is correct. Option C. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. Option D. Both statement and reason are wrong. Answer is option B. Statement and reason are correct. Fourth question is statement. Early man used stone tools. Reason. He knew only stones as tools. Option A. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option B. Statement and reason are correct. Option C. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. Option D. Both statement and reason are wrong. The answer is option B. Statement and reason are correct. Fifth question is statement. Archaeological sources help to know about the early man. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Option A. Monuments. Option B. Pictures. Option C. Metals. Option D. Books. Correct answer is monuments. The sixth question is Rajaraja Chola built the big temple. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Option A. Kumbakonam. Option B. Tiruchi. Option C. Madurai. Option D. Tanjavur. The answer is option D. Tanjavur. The second Roman letter is find out the wrong pair. The first question is option A. Old Stone Age. Stone Age. Option B. Rock paintings. Walls of the caves. Option C. Copper plates. A source of history. Option D. Cats. First domesticated. Ox are the first domesticated animal. So the wrong pair is option D. Cats first domesticated. The second question is option A. Stone tools. Prehistory. Option B. Writing system. History. Option C. Epigraphy. Study of inscription. Option D. Numismatics. Study of tools. The wrong pair is option D. Numismatics. Study of tools because numismatic is a study of coins. The third question is option A. Dharma. Righteousness. Option B. Chakra. 24 spokes. Option C. Lion pillar. Sanji. Option D. Ashoka. Buddhism. The wrong pair is option C. Lion pillar. Sanji because Lion pillar is situated in Saranath. The third Roman letter is find the odd one out. The first question is option A. Paintings were drawn on rocks and caves. Option B. There were paintings depicting hunting scenes. Option C. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Option D. The paintings were painted by using many colors. The answer is option C. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. The second question is option A. History is a record of past events. Option B. In history, the past events are given in chronological order. Option C. History is derived from historia, meaning learning by inquiry. Option D. History is a mere collection of stories. Answer is option D. History is mere collection of stories. The third question is option A. We have lion pillar in Saranath. Option B. This pillar was built by Ashoka. Option C. There is a Dharma Chakra in this pillar. Option D. This chakra has uncountable spokes. Answer is option D. This chakra has uncountable spokes. The next Roman letter is state true or false. The first question is stone tools belonging to Old Stone Age have been excavated at Attirampakkam near Chennai. The answer is true. The second question is the material used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. The answer is true. The third question is during the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. The answer is true. The fourth question is prehistoric period people led an advanced style of life. The answer is false. The fifth question is the greatness of Ashoka had been unknown till 20th century. The answer is true. The sixth question is artifacts is one of the important archaeological sources. The answer is true. The seventh question is Bhimbetka is in Andhra Pradesh. The answer is false. The fifth Roman letter is match the following. The first question is history, learning of inquiry. B. Historia, father of history. C. Edits, record of the past. D. Herodotus, archaeological source. The correct answer is A. History, record of the past. B. Historia, learning of inquiry. C. Edits, archaeological source. D. Herodotus, father of history. The second question is A. BCE, hunting activities. B. Dogs, search for India's lost emperor. C. Allen, study of inscription. D. Epigraphy, before Common Era. The correct answer is A. BCE, before Common Era. B. Dogs, hunting activities. C. Allen, search for India's lost emperor. D. Epigraphy, study of inscription. The third question is A. Rock paintings, copper plates. B. Written records, the most famous king. C. Ashoka, Devaram. D. Religious literature to understand the lifestyle. The correct answer is A. Rock paintings to understand the lifestyle. B. Written records, copper plates. C. Ashoka, the most famous king. D. Religious literature, Devaram. Next Roman letter is answer in one word. The first question is can you say any 2 advantages of writing diary? The answer is the first point is diary writing helps to record the events. The second point is it reveals the lifestyle of people of that period. The second question is how do we know the people's lifestyle of the Old Stone Age? The answer is we understand the lifestyle of people of Old Stone Age from used stone tools, their paintings on the rocks and walls of the cave. The third question is inscription a written record? The answer is yes. Inscription is a written record. The fourth question is, what is proto-history? The answer is, proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. The fifth question is, name an epic. The answer is Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manimekalai. The sixth question is, what is meant by numismatics? The study of coins. The seventh question is, mention the names of archaeological sources. The answer is inscription, monuments, artifacts, coins. Eighth question is, what do literary sources include? The first point is religious literature and second point is secular literature. The seventh Roman letter is, answer the following. The first question is, what is history? The answer is, the first point is, history is a record of past events in chronological order. The second point is, the term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by enquiry. The second question is, what do you know about the prehistoric period? The answer is, the first point is, the period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing systems is prehistory. The second point is, stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistory. The third question is, what are the sources available to know about the prehistoric period? The answer is paintings on the rocks and the walls of the caves, stone tools, excavated materials are the sources available to know about the prehistoric period. The fourth question is, mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. The answer is, we find the prehistoric tools at Kondapur, Nevesa, Megargash, rock shelter of Bhimbetka and Idakal caves in India. In Tamil Nadu, Attirampakkam, Ariyalur, Perambalur, Adichanallur are the places where we came across the prehistoric tools. The fifth question is, what are the benefits of a museum? The answer is, the first point is, museums are community centers designed to inform and teach the public. The second point is, the educational benefit of a museum is academic learning. The third point is, museums are the caretakers of history as much as they offer connections to history. The fourth point is, museums are full of stories and it is interesting for students to hear these stories. The fifth point is, museum offers opportunities for children to compare and construct, leading to critical thinking skills. The sixth point is, children's curiosity comes out in the form of questions. The seventh point is, students are exposed to new ideas and concepts. The eighth point is, museums inspire students to wonder, imagine and dream of possibilities that are beyond what they know. The ninth point is, students are exposed to opportunities that spark creative moments. The sixth question is, name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. The answer is, the first point is, blade cores were used. These were chunks of sharp rocks. The second point is, an end scraper is a teardrop shaped piece of stone used to scrape fur and fatty tissue from the hides of animals. The third point is, burins were stone tools with a rounded grasping end and a sharp razor-like working end. The fourth point is, elves were small circular stone flakes. The seventh question is, why were paintings drawn on rocks? The answer is, the first point is, paintings could have been drawn on rocks to convey their lifestyles to the future generations. The second point is, they might have wished to record their activities through their paintings. The eighth question is, name any two artifacts. The answer is potteries, toys, tools, and ornaments. The first point is, an artifact is something made or given shape by man, such as a tool or a work of art, especially an object of archaeological interest. The second point is, some of the artifacts are potteries, toys, tools, and ornaments. The ninth question is, what is the importance of Saranath pillar? The answer is, the first point is, lion capital of Saranath has been adopted as the natural emblem of the Republic India. The second point is, the Ashoka Chakra is a depiction of the Buddhist Dharma Chakra represented with 24 spokes. The 10th question is, by whom was the material evidence provided revealing the greatness of Emperor Ashoka? The answer is, the material evidence provided by William Jones, James Prinsep, and Alexander Cunningham revealed the greatness of Emperor Ashoka. The 11th question is, what is meant by artifact? The answer is, the first point is, artifacts means an object that is made by a person, such as tool or a decoration, especially on that is of historical interest. The second point is, the museum's collection include artifacts dating back to historic times. The fourth question is, name any three devotional literature. The answer is, the first point is Devaram, the second one is Thiruvasagam, the third one is Nallayira Divya Prabandham.